Every treatment with ink out begins with care, clarity, and consent. Before anything else, we complete detailed paperwork, medical history, skin type, and tattoo background to ensure the session is safe and appropriate. During the consultation, we discuss expectations, explain the non-laser dermabrasion process, and answer every question so there are no surprises. Once approved, the area is cleansed and numbed with a topical agent. The tattoo is then carefully mapped using a scientifically thought-out template. Using a non-laser dermabrasion technique, the epidermis of the skin is carefully abraded to expel the ink from the tattoo. The process is precise and methodical, focusing on minimizing discomfort while targeting ink in usually 3 to 5 sessions, 8 to 12 weeks apart. This is what real removal looks like. Aftercare is essential, keeping the area dry, avoiding sun exposure, and following all instructions helps ensure the best possible outcome. Safe, informed, and step-by-step, your journey to tattoo removal starts here.